That's okay. Here, can you get stuff for your hands?
Hola.
Hola.
Bienvenidos.
Sí. Yeah.
Adelante.
Eso es.
Just rub it in like this. No, not on your arms, like this. Look at my hands. Look at my hands.
So let's find the tamales.
I saw a bucket.
Let's go. Oh yeah, yeah, that's it. Huh? This is it. Oh yeah, this is it. Had to get all the tamales. Alright, let's go that way. I'm gonna keep walking and find a place to sit. What's that? Yeah, let's do it. Yeah, let's do it. Yeah, you doing?
O sea, ajá, pero ahí.
You see something you like? You want to try what? Oh, let's go this way. You see all the dogs, Nina? Took all these trains around. Where are we gonna sit? Let's. No, I had to get the tamales.
I know I have to get this, but this is yummy.
I can't even see myself.
Flipping.
We got a bunch of tamales. It's too loud right here, but it's nice. All right, so we ate some food. Becca and Nina are going to get some skewers, and I'm gonna go find some cake because you know I have to find cake, especially at these vegan festivals because cake is a scarce necessity, scarce resource out here in the vegan society. So I'm gonna find it. I think she said it was over here where the bread is. I have to find the bread. All right, so here we are. That looks good. Yes. I think that one's. What's that made of?
It is carrot cake with
Okay.
almond.
Yeah, I get it.
You want one?
Yeah, I want one. Yeah, I have to get the carrot cake at all times. Yeah. Thank you. Woo. Yes, sir. I got a lot of other things too, like the brownies and this crumble or whatever it is right here is definitely looking interesting. Might have to come back for that. Oh wow, what's that? Just so much stuff. Yeah, you can be here all day.
You like it, Nina? Mango ice cream?
Check out these trains here. It's like a real train. It's crazy. Vegan festival is nice. It's definitely nice. Lots of food we didn't even know was out here. And we had to get the cinnamon roll.
Not bad.
Not bad, but you know I'm picky. You know how I am about the cinnamon rolls.
Got raisin in there.
Okay, that's a little plus. It's soft?
Pretty soft, yeah.
Alright, I'm about to check
It's not
it
like
out.
gooey, but
Yeah, you know, that's... Ooh, that's not... It don't look bad. Alright, let's see. Hey, man. That's interesting. It's very interesting. It's like bready. Not cakey, not gooey. It's like bread, but it's not bad.
trying to use like same type of starter as the bread.
Right.
She flying off.
Es vegana y viene hoy a hablarnos de la alimentación basada en plantas y de muchas otras. Y ese tipo de médicos también que nos enseñan a tratar las enfermedades, nos enseñan a tratar sus complicaciones, ¿cierto? Nos enseñan a vender medicamentos, nos enseñan a operar.
All right, so we're leaving the vegan festival. It was great. Had a wonderful time. Nina, show them your cookie. Show them your little cookie. Oh, you don't want to show them the cookie? Oh, wow. Yep. You got a cookie?
I think it's over there.
And yeah, so we're gonna leave. It seems like vegan food is okay. It seems like vegan food is really taking off in Mérida, which is a great thing because we've been in so many places where it hasn't been a thing, and that kind of helps just to have like options.
I got a pink cookie. That's a big bite.
Let me see that cookie in on, man. You little bite.
Dad?
That thing kind of nasty.
This is yummy.
So we also got
This
this
is yummy cookie.
handle.
And the cookie.
Smells really good. And we got soaps. This is like all-purpose soap, dishes, clothes, body, anything. And a body soap. And some extra tamales for the road.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
What you want to say, Nina?
I said, and cookies. I have a pink cookie.
That's right. So, if you like this video, please comment, subscribe. If you don't like this video, please comment, dislike, subscribe, and we will see
But
you.
we like this.
But you like the video, right?
Well,
So,
we like this cookie.
yes, and the video. So,